Mark Capoletti here, TokenFi Lending. Today we're going to talk about a 3-2-1 buy down for your home purchase loan. Now, the 3-2-1 buy down is used as a financial planning tool for savvy real estate buyers. And let's get into it. First, we'll talk about why you might want to do a 3-2-1 buy down. We're going to talk about how much you can save, and we'll talk about how to pay down the buy down fee with third parties. So first, why would you want to use a 3-2-1 buy down? So for the first 3 years, the rate is bought down 3%, goes up to 2% the second year, 3% the third year. On the fourth year, the rate reverts back to the fully indexed 30-year fixed rate. It gives a combined total savings on an $800,000 loan amount of about $36,000. So the reason why someone might want to do this on the early years of their loan, number one, they might want to boost the contributions and juice the education fund for one of their children. Secondly, if you don't have any kids, maybe you are approaching retirement and you want to juice your retirement funds, is a good way to add extra contributions to your retirement fund and really juice up the seed money for that. Thirdly, you may be early in your career and expecting a raise from your employer or to make more money with your employer in the next few years, and you want to keep your payments low for the first few years of the loan. And then you just may have general cash flow purposes why you want to keep your payments low for the first several years while you own that home. So let's get into how the 3-2-1 buy down works. On a 30-year fixed, normal 30-year fixed loan, the interest rate is about 6.75% right now for 30 years. On a 3-2-1 buy down, that means that the rate's going to be bought down 3% for the first year, 2% for the second year, and bought down 1% for the third year. And then on the fourth year, it reverts back to the 30-year fixed rate of 6.75%. So on year one, the rate would be just 3.75%. The payments would be $3,704 a month for a payment difference of $1,483 per month. That's what you save over the 30-year fixed rate of $5,188. Your payment savings is $1,483 a month, or $17,806 for the year. On the second year, the rate goes up to 4.75%. The payment goes up to $4,173, and the payment savings is $1,015 a month, or $12,187 per year. On the third year, the rate goes up to 5.75%. The payment goes up to $46.68, and the payment savings is $520 a month, or $6,200 for the third year. Total over that 3 years comes out to $36,235. Now, what's the catch? How can you save that much money on the loan? Well, there is a cost, hence the name of the loan, temporary buy down. What's the buy down fee? It's 3% of the loan amount. So 3% times $800,000 is $24,000. That's what it's going to cost you to buy that rate down for the first 3 years. Now, there's a way to pay for this through third parties, which makes this a very attractive way to do it. Now, the 3 ways, or actually 4 ways you can pay for this buy down fee. Number one, you can ask for seller concessions. When you make an offer on the property, you can ask for the seller to pay 4 to 6% of the purchase price towards your closing costs. And your closing costs are going to include your temporary buy down fee. So number one, it can come from seller concessions. Number two, If you have a realtor representing you and they're getting paid a commission, you can ask the realtor to contribute towards your buy down. Number three, you can get a lender rebate. Um, the interest rate is a function of points. So you with a little bit higher interest rate, you can get a rebate to help pay for your buy down fee. Or you can use a combination of all of those. You can get a little bit from the seller, you get a little bit from the realtor, you get a little bit from the lender, and you can get your entire buy down fee paid for, which that makes this a true savings of $36,000 over 3 years. So imagine what that'll do for your retirement or your kids' college fund to be able to juice that up in the early years. It makes a huge difference. Now, the key is you need to work with a realtor and a lender that understands um, how this works and understands how to put a purchase deal together and how to make all the parts work together for your benefit. My name is Mark Capoletti with TokenFi Lending. It's tokenfilending.com. I can be reached at 858 583 1016. I look forward to hearing from you.